Hello everyone, myself Sononi Sumit, Civil Second Year, VAPM Almala. Today we are going to study about fluid and physical properties of fluids under the subject of hydraulics. So, introduction. Fluid mechanics is the science that deals with the action of forces on fluid at rest as well as in motion. If the fluids are at rest, the study of them is called as fluid static. And if the fluids are in motion, where pressure forces are not considered, the study of them is called as fluid kinematics. And if the fluids are in motion and the pressure forces are considered, the study of them is called as fluid dynamic. Then fluid. Fluid is the substance which is capable for flowing. It is the substance that deforms continuously under the action of shear force. Then matter exists in two states, the solid state and the fluid state. This classification of matter is based on the spacing between different molecules of matter as well as on the behavior of matter when subjected to stresses. Because molecules in solid state are spaced very closely, solid possesses compactness and rigidity of form. The molecules in fluid can move more freely within the fluid mass and therefore the fluids do not possess any rigidity of form. Then fluid exists in two forms, liquid and gas. What is the difference between liquid and gas? Liquids flow and take the shape of their container but maintain a constant volume, but gases expand to fill the available volume. Liquids are incompressible while the gas are compressible. Then fluids and physical properties of fluids, that is mass density, specific weight, specific volume, specific gravity, viscosity, surface tension, vapor pressure, capillarity, cavitation. First, mass density. Mass density is defined as a mass per unit volume. SI unit of mass density is kg per meter cube. Mass density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is 1000 kg per meter cube. So, rho is equal to m by v, where rho is equal to mass density, m is equal to mass and v is equal to volume. Next, specific weight or weight density. The weight density or specific weight of a fluid is defined as the weight per unit volume. SI unit of weight density or specific weight is Newton per meter cube. So, gamma is equal to W by V. Gamma is equal to where gamma is equal to weight density or specific weight. W is equal to weight and V is equal to volume. Specific weight or weight density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is 9810 Newton per meter cube. Then specific volume. Specific volume of a fluid is defined as the volume per unit weight. SI unit of specific volume is meter cube per Newton. Then specific gravity. Specific gravity is the ratio of a specific weight or mass density of any fluid to the specific weight or mass density of a standard fluid at standard temperature and pressure. For liquid, standard fluid is pure water at 4 degrees Celsius, and for gases, standard fluid is either hydrogen or air at some specified temperature and pressure. Specific gravity of water at 4 degrees Celsius is 1 and specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. Then viscosity. Viscosity is that property of fluids by virtue of which it offers resistance to the movement of one layer of fluid over an adjacent layer. It is due to the cohesion and molecular momentum. The viscosity of a fluid is a measure of its resistance to deformation. Then Newton's law of viscosity. Newton's law states that the shear stress is directly proportional to the rate of angular deformation or velocity gradient. The constant of proportionality is called the coefficient of viscosity. So tau is directly proportional to the du by dy, where tau is equal to shear stress du by dy is equal to velocity gradient or angular deformation, and mu is equal to coefficient of viscosity or dynamic viscosity. Next, kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity, it is the ratio of dynamic viscosity mu and the mass density rho is known as kinematic viscosity. SI unit of kinematic viscosity is meter cube meter square per second, and the CGS system it is given by Stokes. Then variation of viscosity with temperature. First, liquids. Cohesion and momentum transfer viscosity decrease as temperature increases, and then relativity independent of pressure incompressible. And gases, transfer of molecule momentum, viscosity increases as temperature increases, and then viscosity increases as the pressure increases. Then types of fluids, that is ideal fluid, real fluid, Newtonian fluid, non-Newtonian fluid, and ideal plastic fluid. Surface tension. A molecule in the interior of a liquid is under attractive force in all directions. However, a molecule at the surface of a liquid is acted on by a net inward cohesion force that is perpendicular to the surface. Hence, it requires work to move molecule to the surface against this opposing force, and surface molecules have more energy than interior ones. Higher force of attraction at surface creates a stretched membrane effect. Then surface tension. Surface tension is property of a liquid surface film. To exert a tension is called as surface tension. SI unit of surface tension is Newton per meter. Surface tension is the force required to maintain unit length surface film in equilibrium. Then capillary action. Capillary action is the ability of fluid to flow in narrow spaces without the assistance of and in opposition to external forces like gravity. Then application of capillary action. Capillary action is found in thermometer where fluid usually in automatically rises where come in contact with higher temperature or fall down with lower ones. Capillary action can be performed to transfer fluid from one vessel to another on its own. Thank you.